Traders, the AI spending boom might be slowing. Let's look at why it could happen and what it means for your trades in 2026. 1. Spending. Hits a reality check. Companies need to see real profits from their massive AI investments. High costs for chips and computing are forcing budget cuts on experimental projects. Watch 4. Slowing growth in cloud company earnings, like Microsoft Azure. This is a key signal. 2. New rules are coming. Governments are creating stricter laws for AI, like the EU AI Act. This adds cost and uncertainty, which can slow investment down. Watch 4. Increased stock market volatility for AI-focused companies as new regulations are announced. 3. The tech gets harder and more expensive building smarter. AI is becoming much more costly. The returns on each new dollar spent may start to shrink. Watch 4. If semiconductor stocks, like Nvidia, break below important support levels, it could signal a wider pullback in the AI sector. What this means for your trades: rotate sectors. Use your FXCM platform to find strength in other areas. Money may move from tech into healthcare, industrials, or energy. Trade the shift. Consider strategies that benefit if the tech-heavy Nasdaq underperforms the broader market. Focus on value. Look for companies with strong profits now, not just AI promises for the future. A slowdown isn't the end of AI, it's a new phase. By watching for these signs and using the tools on FXCM, you can adapt your strategy and find the next opportunity. Thanks for watching.